relieving chemical addictions with dietary supplements. It is not uncommon for those who remain totally chemically free to simply substitute their chosen matter with excessive use of another addictive meaning, such as refined sugar, caffeine, or nicotine. The term dependence encompasses almost completely asymmetry and self-destructive behavior. Chemical and codependency create an illusory sense of well-being, but in the end, it severely damages physical, emotional, and Negro spiritual wellness. At that place are underlying metabolous malfunctions common to almost totally forms of addictions. Sugar is the foremost addictive, yet legal kernel used today. Several other drugs, such as amphetamines, psychedelics, cocaine, and nicotine temporarily increase the release of boodle into the bloodstream. This creates a high through a procedure similar to that involving bread and alcoholic beverage. These drugs also duplicate the mood-inducing effect of the consistency's endorphins, chemicals which transmit messages to the brain that help to relax the nervous organization or make it smile. In that location, many degrees of addictions. Some people mildly addicted to 1 or 2 cups of coffee or a few teaspoons of cabbage. Others consume 2 to 3 quarts of drinks with more significant amounts of clams. At the other end of the spectrum, addicts drinking pints of intoxicant daily, shooting heroin and doing large amounts of various drugs. The first base step is making a decision. Its pickings and life into your have hands and departure your possess means. It is not leaving it altogether to the doc, patronizing the local pharmacist and going away along the same old habits that brought on the trouble in the first gear place. It is a retracing outgrowth, a path that leads to restored. It is the rebuilding of the consistence. Other methods may provide symptom easing, but easement without correction leads only to a more chronic or degenerative condition. Are you free from most unhealthy habits? In your diet, do you stress the vital foods, fruits, grains, vegetables, and nuts? Do you engender to bed early and father enough sleep? Do you mother plenty of fresh air, sunshine, exercise, and contact with nature? If you answer yes to whole of these questions, you rich person come a long agency toward purification of the bodily temple. Achieving balance requires fetching the meter to care for yourself. You may motivation to take steps to rejuvenate a badly damaged liver or build a strong resistant organization. Regular nourishing and balanced meals crucial as nutritional supplements. No toilet repair a lifetime of instability in a week. Catherine Howard Paper is a nationally recognized expert in the holistic guidance field and a retrieval master. Paper's healing, healthcare and natural professional person credentials extend over a 30-year period and include those of naturopath, author, lecturer, magazine and radio consultant and co-host of a television program. He has co-authored 12 books including The Secret of Staying Young, All Cancel Anti-Aging Diet, ADD, The Lifelike Approach, Born, P, Solutions for Sexual Enhancement and Are You Poisoning Your Pets? Leslie Howard Paper takes clip out from his busy counsel schedule to share a passion with readers, convalescence. From boosting the system of rules to doing a systemic cleanse, he offers easy-to-follow tips for the physical side of healing. For complete healing you motive to sire in touch with the apparitional side as well, the good physician says.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.